my YouTube channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lauren. I don't know how you found me, but please definitely stay. Today's video is a tutorial on the heatless roller, which are these. You guys have probably seen these on my head already. So these are the heatless roller set, and I got this from Shein, so this will be listed in the description box below for you guys. Also, I had a little delivery, so my other half gave me some money to cheer me up because I was a bit down in the dumps about my job and everything else. So he gave me some money and I ordered something from Next. So it just arrived, so I thought I will unbox it with you now. I know what it is because I ordered it, but cannot wait to show you. I am so excited. So let me get it out of the packaging. This feels so soft. Oh my god. I might have, oh, get off a minute. I might have to do a try on clip to the end of this video, but oh, it is a 3-piece from Mrs. Hinch set. It is so beautiful. It feels so lovely as well. So it's a cardigan, top and bottoms, and it's in like this camel colour, which looks incredible, and it is so long. So I will put on a try on clip for this at the end of the video so you guys can see what it looks like on, but it feels so beautiful and so soft, and I cannot wait to put it on. Oh, I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys, just in case you are interested in purchasing this. Like I said, Nathan gave me the money to treat myself. So this is not sponsored from Mrs. Hinch or Next whatsoever. So we purchased this out of our own money, well, his own money. But yeah, I will leave the link in the description box below for you guys. It is so soft and I cannot wait to try it on. Quickly, before I get on to the hair tutorial, there is just a couple of things that I need to show you. I bought these from Poundland good few weeks back and I absolutely love them. I bought 2 boxes of them, so these are the spare boxes, so I've got 2. So I bought 2 of each, so these are the second ones. Let me just prove that I actually bought another one. So this one is the dupe of the Olympia. So if you love the Olympia smell, then you're going to love these. It's absolutely beautiful. That's the packaging. When I saw it, I actually thought it was Olympia because of the wings, but it's the dupe of the Olympia. So that's what the bottle looks like. I'm not too keen on the bottle, but yeah, not too keen on the bottle, to be honest with you. But if you love the smell of Olympia, then you're gonna love this. It is absolutely beautiful. So obviously it was £1 from Poundland and it's incredible. And then this one is again £1 from Poundland. This is the dupe for the Lady Million. This is called the Queen in Million. So again, it looks like the Million. Again, I'm not too keen on the bottles. They could have made the bottles a little bit better, but what you get for £1. So yeah. Let me smell this one. I don't know why I'm smelling it. I've got one over there. Yeah, it smells exactly like Million, but yeah, it's just a dupe version. But they're in Poundland, so if you love Olympia and Million, then go and grab these because they are exactly the same. They smell the same. But just a little bit cheaper than the actual versions. This is the heatless hair curler. It comes with this like foamy bit, which I will show you how to use in a second. It also comes with 2 grips or 2 scrunchies, instructions and a clip. You can leave these in overnight. It's totally up to you. It depends on how curly you want your hair. Or you can leave them in for 3 to 6 hours and it will still give you a bouncy curly hair. When I do these, I do leave them overnight because I like to have loads of bouncy curls. So what you do is you parting your hair into two sections. So I just jumped out of the shower, so my hair's a little bit wet still. You can do this with wet hair or dry hair, it's totally up to you. It depends on how much of the curl you want. So I'm just going to brush my hair quickly. It's already been brushed, but give it a good brush in, make sure there's no knots in them. So you part into your hair into two sections, and then with the foam you've got to make sure it's all sectioned off like so. Then with the little heatless band, you put on the top of your head like this. You might look like really silly and you might look like an idiot with it on, but it gives you nice curls. Then with the clip, I just got to look into the mirror. I normally push it like right near to the front, about there, and then with the clip I just grip it on like that. The way it's looking right now, it won't stay like this, because obviously when you're curling your hair it will actually shape into like the curl in your hair. Because I only do one section at a time, so what I do is I grab the other side of the hair and grab the band and put like a bubble on, just so it secures that side and it don't go walking about and don't go wobbling whatsoever. Then what you do is you grab the front piece of your hair, just a small piece. It depends on how much you want the curls. If you want them small and tight, then you do small pieces. If you want big and loosey and beachy waves, then you do a bigger bunches. So what's going on in my hair? There we go. So what you do, you grab some hair from the front, okay, some hair from the front of your hair. I'm going to keep looking in the Hollywood mirror for this. So you hold on to the heatless roller and you push it back. So you push your hair back. As you go onto the back, you grab some hair like that from the back, okay, and you make sure you hold it tight. The tighter you hold it, the tighter the curls will be. So you make, it's like a plait basically. If you're plaiting someone's hair, you've got to plait it tightly, don't you? So you grab the hair tightly as you can, both bits, and then again I just grab the foam. I don't move it, I just grab it like that, and then this bit of hair goes under the foam, okay, then grab it and then push it over, and then again you grab some from the front, grab some hair from the front, grab it together, and then, oh, where's the foam? There it is. And then you go full behind, like go behind, and then again you grab some from the back, hold it tight, then go under. So you always go forward and then under. So if you're grabbing some from the front here, so you go over the band. When you grab some from the back, like that, you go under, like so. And grabbing some from the front, you always go over and under the pipe one. Go over, grab some from back, okay, hold it as tight as you can, and then you go under. It is confusing of how to do it, but the more you do it, the more you get the hang of it. So again, grabbing some from the front, making sure it's tight, and then going over the band, okay, then grabbing some from the back, and then go under the foam. Sometimes it does go out of place, just like that. So you just go back from where you was and then go under and you push it over your hand. Okay, then you grab some from back. And then you go under. Yeah, I've already done that. And then grab some from the front. Then you go over. You're just constantly going under and over the band, basically. I've got to make sure I'm doing it right. So grab some from back. Then, if you've grab that bit, go under. If you've run out of hair at the back and you've just got some at the front, just grab it all. Okay, just grab all your hair so you've got none left that's dangling down, basically, and then you just constantly go under and over. So once your hair is all collected from the back and from the front, you just constantly go over and under the band and you wrap it round. Make sure you've got it tight as well, because otherwise the curls won't stay in place. Okay, and then grab your bobble just like you would do with a plait, and you just tighten it like so. So that is obviously one side of your hair done. So and now it's time for the other side. I will show you again on the other side. So on this side it's exactly the same as that side. You don't do anything different. Just make sure your hair is all there. So I'm going to show you again a little bit on this side, and then the rest of it I'm going to speed up for you guys. But yeah. So again, you grab some from the front, pull it as tight as you can, go over the bands like so. Grab some from the back and you make sure it is tight as you can. Okay, and then go under the band. Okay, still make sure it's tight. Then grab some from the front. Okay, grab some from the front, then over. So you're constantly going under and over. Again, grab some from the back. Make sure it's tight. And then, oh, what's that bit of hair doing? And then going under. Okay. And I'm going to show you one more time. So obviously, some bits at the front. Then you go over, grab some bits at the back. Make sure it's tight as well, okay? And then go under. Okay, let's speed up the next bit.
Dry. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together?
Okay, so that is both sides of my hair curled. It's all nice and tight, nice and curly. I would say it doesn't matter about what side of the band, if it's longer or shorter. If you have got a problem with that, obviously try and make sure it's straight so you've got enough band on each side of the hair. But it does cover everything. For me, when I do it, as you can see on this bit, I've got some loose bits of hair. Because I've got really long hair and thick hair, I always put double bobble. So I put 2 scrunchies on each side just to secure it all, because they only supply you with 1 scrunchie, obviously for one for each end. But I always put another scrunchie on the end just to make sure it's all secured and none of the hair comes loose, and you get like all curly and then just straight bits at the end. And that is the last thing you need, especially if you're going out or you've got an event going on and you want your hair nice and curly. That is the last thing you need when your hair's nice and curly and then you've got loads of straight bits at the back. That is how you use these. You can actually keep the clip in at the top if you like, just to keep the band in place. But if you are keeping it in overnight, I don't suggest to keep the clip in. I suggest to take the clip out. So all you do is just take that out, and it just basically keeps the band in place. When you do keep them in overnight, the band does slip at the back of your head. Don't worry about it, it's still secured, it's still curling. Just as long as this actual band, this little heatless curler hasn't actually come out your hair, you will be fine. But that is how you curl your hair using the heatless roller. So guys, that is going to conclude today's video. Oh, I forgot to mention, I'm actually wearing Mrs. Hinch's loungewear. It's so nice and comfy. They are all, I think all of our outfits are nice and comfy. I've got 3 of our loungewear now. I've got this one, I've got the one I've just showed you, and I've got a grey version which has got like the trousers at the top and the cami top and a normal over the shoulder top. So yeah, I've got 3 of our loungewear sets now, and they are literally incredible. I will leave all their links down below for you guys, just in case you are interested. If you are a lover of Mrs. Hinch, just like me, and you want to wear her comfy loungewear, then I will leave the links in the description box below, the ones that I've got and I'm loving. I will leave the link in for the description box for these heatless curlers as well, which I've got from Shein. I've got this outfit from Tesco's. I've got the grey outfit from Tesco's as well, and that camel and a nudie colour one that I got from Next. But everything will be in the description box below for you guys anyway. This video is not sponsored by Mrs. Hinch or Next or Shein. You know, I've just done it all on my own back. So if you've liked this video, give it a great big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to click on the notification bell next to it so you're notified every time I upload. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.